Let's have some beer. What? You going down, people of the world? My name is Redbeard, and this is yet another beer review. Thank you so much for joining me. Smash that thumbs up button in the face, and let's get into it, shall we? For the beer of the today, pulled something out of my cellar, bottom of the fridge where I keep my beer that stays in there for a while. This is a bottle of 2019 Limberlost spontaneously fermented ale with wild blueberries. I don't know, farmhouse something. Sawdust City, Gravenhurst, Ontario, 5.2% ABV. I've had at least one or two variants of the OG Limberlost. It's like they use wild yeast to make this beer, as far as I know. And the addition of blueberries and the barrel aging should make for interesting beer. So without further ado, let's crack her open. There's your bottle cap. Very exciting bottle cap. Yes, yes, yes. Bigger bottle cap. Bigger bottle. Biggest bottle I've had in a little while. I'm assuming some kind of... Yeah, we got some color from the blueberries. All right. All right. Looks all right. Decent amount of little frothy head there. It smells blueberry-y and kind of winey. Like funky, fermenty, yeasty. Mildly scared. Let's give her a shot. That's very unusual. There's like a not fantastic finish in my mouth. I need to try more. Let's do this. Cheers, everybody. The initial flavor is nice. Got like a nice tartness. Just blueberry flavor there. And then I guess it's like a wine, a musty thing. And then fades away to something I can't put my finger on, but I'm not a huge fan of. It's not bad, but it's not great. I think that this is just a personal preference thing, for sure. Might be just too complex for my basic bitch of a palate. Let's see what we got here. Born in the wilds of the nearby Limberlost forest, this spontaneously fermented tart ale pours a beautiful deep blue and has aromas of fruit and dusty farmhouse funk. Using our wild yeast strain captured from Limberlost, aptly called the Limberlost, this year's version is tart without being overly sour. It drinks very easily, with the wild blueberries balancing out the farmhouse flavor. The blueberries dominate through to a nice dry finish accompanied by lively carbonation. A true taste of the Muskoka wilderness. Yeah. And it's bottle conditioned apparently. We got some ingredients on here. Pure Muskoka water, Pilsner malt, wheat, Saz hops, Limberlost yeast with wild blueberries. My mouth just completely failed me right there. Good times. The more I get into it, the less I'm getting of that not so great finish. That drink I just had was pretty good. It's not bad. It's totally acceptable. I don't know, let's go with 7. It's a good solid 7. What do we have on Untapped? 3.86, 381 ratings overall, and the write-up is the exact same write-up that's on the bottle. So with that in mind, this was purchased during a seller sale they had like last year. Keep your eyes on their website. They might have more that randomly comes available, but for now, if you've had it, let me know in the comments what you thought, because we're done. If you liked the video, thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't. That's your choice. Subscribe, bell notification, blah, 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 blah. Back like something like this. Yes. Yes. Back with something like this pretty freaking soon. Peace out. That was the first freaking actual beer review I've done in like months. I've just been going through my stupid. I had so many done, and not just I'd stopped releasing videos for a while because I'm an idiot. But I'm just going through my back catalog. So I'm gonna try to release this one relatively soon. Currently, it is May 1st actually. How about that? After midnight. So hopefully this is released somewhere near there. And now we're done.